Good morning. I have my breakfast. It is the 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. And for my seasonings, I have the sauteed onion and bacon on it. And then I've got some everything bagel seasoning on it and some Redmond's real salt. And that is my breakfast. I have about that much left of my protein coffee. And that's how it's looking this morning. Lunch today is kind of eclectic. It's 7 ounces of the steaks. Then this was the zucchini and a little bit of pico de gallo that I sauteed last weekend. And this is like a 4th serving of the miracle rice. I put in just a little bit of the G-Hue stir fry and some sriracha and a little bit of coconut aminos, just like a little squirt. So that is my lunch today. Okay, y'all. It's a short video today. Supper, I've got, this is a little leftover lemonade at work, or that I was drinking on at work. I added water and I'll add some grape to it. Okay, so grape lemonade. And then this is cucumbers and a little bit of peppers that I had pickled in that vinegar. And 6 ounces of pork steaks that I made whenever I made them last. Tomorrow's meal prep day, so make sure you watch tomorrow or stay tuned for my video tomorrow because we've got all that stuff. Hang on, let me see if I need to set it out. Yep, so that's everything I'll be cooking tomorrow. We've got showed y'all this the other night, but got it all sitting out here to defrost, and I might just let everything, it's 5 o'clock, I'll probably let everything sit out till about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. I'll check it before I go to bed and see where it's at. But anyway, so yeah, that's all the stuff I'll be cooking tomorrow. And you saw what I'm eating. Have a good night. And here's my macros for the day. You guys enjoy and have a good evening.